Grammarly Desktop Editor is a wonderful application that can check mistakes almost everywhere and eliminate its browser extension. In this video, we'll set it up and use it. So let's get into it. To install it, go to grammarly.com/desktop on your computer. Click this big green button to download it. Once downloaded, open the setup and wait for it to complete the installation. It won't ask for anything, and when installed, it will open the login pop-up. Click this blue button to log in or create a new account. As I'm already logged in, I see this screen. If you are not, put in your email or choose one of the quick options to sign in or up. On this interface, we'll click Continue to Grammarly. Then click Open Grammarly. We are fully logged in. Let's skip this how to guide as we already know how to use it. You can play around if you like. Lastly, click here to finish the installation setup. To open it, click this arrow to see all the notification icons. Here find and double click Grammarly. If you don't see the icon, just search for Grammarly in the search bar. Now we'll set up our account. We can set the default language from here. You'll see your writing tone next, which shows an icon to help you identify your writing. You can also change your style. Suggestion bundles is to correct multiple mistakes in a sentence with one click. I'll show you an example soon. Then keep this checked if you want it to open on startup. Grammarly AI is also enabled and we get some shortcuts that we can change. I have Grammarly Premium, but everything we cover here is also applicable to the free plan. Lastly, we can block any apps to stop Grammarly from checking. We'll cover that as well. Okay, the setup is complete. Close this pop-up. We'll use Grammarly in Notepad first. When you open a text editor, you'll notice this green G icon. We can drag and drop it onto the highlighted corners. As you type, the app will keep checking for mistakes. However, it will show them when you stop typing for a few seconds. Then we can just hover over the mistake and see the suggestion. You'll also see the total number of errors from the G icon. Click this icon to view all the mistakes. We can go through each using those two arrows and correct a mistake by clicking the blue button. All issues are gone. Great. If you don't want Grammarly to check Notepad mistakes, click this settings button and the first or the second option. You can manage your block list from the app settings. Now let's see how to use it in Microsoft Word because it works slightly differently. On MS Word, both editors work together. We can hover over a mistake to see the fix. However, when you click this Grammarly icon, you'll see all the issues right here. This is a new update. We can click on one and Grammarly will highlight the mistake. We have the same accept button and the arrows. The app can also check for plagiarism with this icon. Alright, now we'll use it in a browser. I'll deactivate the Grammarly extension first. Let's find something to type on. Similar to Notepad, when you type in the browser, you see a green icon next to the editor. We can hover over errors to fix them. This is an example of suggestion bundles. It will fix multiple issues with one click. The desktop editor also works on WordPress and other content management systems if you are a blogger. The great thing about this app is that if you activate the Grammarly browser extension, you won't find the Grammarly app anywhere. That's because the extension is already working. We also get an option to enable the extension when the app is installed. Now before we go, I like to talk about AI. Grammarly AI, also called Grammarly Go, is a writing assistant that can do many things. To open Grammarly Go, hover over the icon and click the second option. We have some quick prompts here. Because we haven't selected any text, Grammarly assumes that we are talking about this whole document. Picking up the main point shows that it's a process. To see more prompts, click the More button. Select any of those or type in whatever you want to do. Let's shorten this text or find room for improvement. To adjust the AI settings, click here. When you highlight text, you'll see two Grammarly icons. The first is to improve this text, which will improve it. Click the second icon to see more options. Now Grammarly assumes that whatever we do, we are talking about the highlighted text. Let's improve it. This is the generated text. To replace the old one with this, click Insert. We can further get help from AI to improve this text or others. So this was how to use Grammarly desktop editor. Thanks for watching and take care.